My first impressions were that you were very beautiful, smart, quirky, and true to being your unfiltered self. You were honest, upfront, and real, and I liked that.
Your cleverness and ability to put together anything with an instruction manual. Your perfectionism and ingenuity whenever you put your mind to something. But most of all, I love the way you can make me smile on the best of days, and more importantly, how you can make me smile on the worst of them.
At the thought of seeing you, and always sad to say goodbye.
All of the amazing adventures we have experienced, but most importantly, for the small moments we share together daily.
You're my best friend, my lover, and my soulmate. And very soon I'll be able to call you my wife.
Always strap one of our babies on your back so we can go hike the Andes. As you've now probably realised, I'm a restless soul. But after all the searching, I finally found home. And it turns out it isn't a place after all.
I genuinely think we are so lucky to have found each other.
Every road I take leads to you. With you there is a stillness, a sense of purpose, a surety that I found my home.
And I can't wait to do life together.
My inner compass will never point north because it only points to you.
The thought of a future get together is exciting, and I'm looking forward to one day starting a family with you. I promise to tell you you're beautiful every single day because it's true, and I promise to love you this much forever because loving you is easy.
You are my true north, my constant star in the sky, and I promise to love you until death and beyond.